A pro membership to PureMix.net gives you unlimited access to video tutorials and learning tools designed to really teach you the craft of making records. We have hundreds of tutorials with new ones added every week that will guide you deeper into the recording and mixing process. You'll watch how award-winning pros like Andrew Sheps, Al Schmidt, Chris Lord-Alge, Vance Powell, Ryan Hewitt, Fab DuPont, and many others really do it. You'll train yourself to listen and think like the pros do. You'll learn their techniques and secrets and watch them mix songs by major artists as well as indie artists like the ones that we all work with every day. The best part is that you can download the stems and exercise files from world-class records to test drive your new skills. And gauge your progress by competing in members-only mixing contests to win prizes. Plus, our pro members get exclusive discounts from major manufacturers and can enter exclusive giveaways to win plugins and hardware worth hundreds of dollars. No matter where you are or what gear you own, PureMix.net has the tutorials you need to become a successful music professional. Well over 100,000 producers, engineers, and musicians from around the world trust PureMix to be their #1 destination to learn how to make great sounding records. So if you're serious about becoming better, faster, and more confident at recording music, you should join our fast-growing community of peers and mentors who share your passion. Start learning what's not in the manual and get a pro membership to PureMix.net today.